friends, before we get to work, I need you to change a setting in Chrome. So find the little three dot customize Chrome settings button. And when you click settings, I need you to scroll down and find the advanced choice. And under advanced, for us to save and do all the cool things we do later, you need to have your download choice set to always ask. And what this does is instead of always going to your user's location, it lets you pick special places that I'm going to teach you later so that you can occasionally share prints with me that you wanted printed and all kinds of other important things. So when you've got that setting set, you can simply close that window. If you want, double check to make sure that your neighbor turned that on as well. And then you're ready for even more amazing things in mod tech.